Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile guys display and brightness setting. In this video friends I will show you guys how can you turn off your eyes protection mode. Friends, you want to turn off your eyes protection mode, so friends you can turn off. And guys, now let's see how to turn off eyes protection mode in our Tecno phone. In this video friends I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so when first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to off your eyes protection mode. So I scroll and guys you can see display and brightness guys, tap here. So you can see guys your eyes protection guys, eye care mode setting friends, tap here. So friends you can still turn off now. So friends, you want to off your eyes protection mode, so friends you can off from here. And guys after guys you cannot use this setting. So like that guys you can turn off guys your eyes protection mode in your Tecno phone. And guys after off guys your screen color will normal. So like that guys you can off your eyes protection mode in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.